Let's start our journey. This is New Lanka Cinnamon Factory, where we get the behind the scenes by looking at the production of the world famous spice. Visitors can learn about the traditional methods of cinnamon processing and even purchase fresh cinnamon products. This educational experience attracts culinary enthusiasts and boosts the economy through spice tourism. Here, the air is thick with the sweet and spicy scent of cinnamon. The factory is a testament to sustainable and meticulous production practices. The New Lanka Cinnamon Factory categorizes cinnamon into various grades, with Alba being the finest. Every part of the cinnamon plant is utilized in this factory. Even the sticks that fallen on the ground are collected, crushed, and packed to export to other countries. Next, we visit the Ahungalla Turtle Conservation and Research Center. This center is dedicated to the protection and preservation of sea turtles. This is an amazing turtle aquarium in Ahungalla, filled with beautiful saltwater fish and many more species. We enjoyed the sightseeing here. The guide was well educated on the seawater life species. The huge turtle sculpture was breathtaking. This is actually a very educational tour during which we were taught about the origin of each turtle at this center. They were largely caught up in the fish nets. Some of them will make a full recovery while others will live at the center for the rest of their lives. Here we witness the tireless efforts to save endangered turtle species from nurturing hatchlings to ensuring safe passage to the ocean. The center's work is really inspiring. Our journey continues at the luxurious Heritance Hotel, Ahungalla. This hotel is not just about comfort and elegance, but also about environmental responsibility. This stunning hotel offers world-class amenities and exceptional hospitality. It serves as a prime example of how high-end accommodations can attract tourists, providing them with a comfortable and memorable stay. The hotel's commitment to sustainable practices also highlights the importance of eco-friendly tourism. Finally, we got the chance to talk with the HR manager of Heritance Hotels Ahungalla. He gave us many information about tourist attractions and landmarks, hospitality customs and traditions, cultural events and festivals in the area, tourist etiquette and behavior expectation, and also local cuisine and dining customs, and tourist interactions with locals. Our journey through these incredible locations plays a vital role in promoting tourism. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. We hope this video inspire you to explore those amazing places and contribute to the growth of sustainable tourism in Sri Lanka. Thank you for joining us on this adventure.